Hey guys, welcome to Upcoding. In this video, I will show you how to create weather app using React and Tailwind CSS. In this weather app, if we search without typing city, we will get error. So let's enter a city name. We are getting city data, Delhi city data. If we type wrong city name, we got error. Let's another city name. By pressing enter, we also get data. We will also implement notification. So let's start with the project. So I have created a folder named weather app in my desktop. We will create project using white. So let's copy this command. Open terminal. With command I will type /. This command will create project within this folder. Package name weather app. We will select React, JavaScript. Our project is created. Let's install npm packages. Our packages have been installed. So next we will install Tailwind CSS. Paste the command. Tailwind CSS installed. Now import Tailwind CSS in white.config file. Also copy Tailwind to plugins. Next import Tailwind to index.css. Remove previous CSS. Import Tailwind CSS. Now our project is ready. So let's run the project. npm run dev. Our project is running. Let's check on the browser. So this is the project. Let's remove app.css. Close the terminal and remove this. Create a div. Remove this state, use state. Remove these logos. Remove app.css. And in index.html remove this white svg icon, and in title we will write weather app. Import Google font, enter search font, enter get font, get embedded code, click on import, copy between the style tag, import in index.css. We will import before Tailwind CSS. Next copy font family here. So our font is imported. Now we will install React icons. Open second terminal, npm install React icons. Later we will use this icon. Next let's install React npm React Toastify. We will show notification using this package. Let's create a folder name components. In this folder we will create a component weather.jsx. We have created component using RAFC command. This is extension which is used to create React code snippet. So let's import this weather component into app.jsx. So I have imported weather component into app components. So let's open weather component. First let's give CSS classes, Tailwind CSS classes to app.jsx. H screen to fit the height, flex flex item center, justify center, background will be, we have applied CSS to app.jsx app component. Now come to weather component. Class name equal to flex column, justify between width 350 pixel, height 450 pixel, background white, rounded to XL, and shadow to XL, padding 6. Now let's create a div inside the parent div. So let's style this flex item center, width full, background gray 200, paddings horizontal 3, rounded 3XL, overflow hidden Z index 10. Inside this we will create input, giving some classes to input, PG transparent, width full, height 10, border none, outline none, padding left 2. After this we will import a search icon, fa search. Now give a placeholder. Now give some classes to search icon, cursor, pointer, text gray 500, and text XL, over text black, transition. Here we will create a div. Inside this we will create another div. Let's give some classes, flex column, item center, gap 3. Inside this create a image tag, source alt weather app. Let's import some icons to asset folder. Let's delete this react.svg icon, it's showing error. So I have imported all weather icons into the asset folder. So let's import one icon, Let's add this into image source. Next, give some classes to image tag. Absolute minus top 20. Before the image tag, create one div. Put this image tag into the created div and give some classes to this div. Relative, width full. Now on the image tag, put some remaining classes left. 8, height 60, width 60. Now create a div after the image tag. Give some classes. Flex call, item center, margin top 35, and add a p tag. We will show temperature number, and next create another p tag. We will show here city name. Give some classes to first p tag. Text 5XL, font bold, and some classes to second p tag. Text 3XL. Next, create a div. Flex item center, justify, between. Inside this div, create another div. Give some classes to this div. Flex item center, gap 4. Import humidity icon, size 40. After this, create a div and give some classes. Flex column. Inside this, span tag 80%. Create another span tag, humidity. Let's copy this div. Add wind speed icon. Our wind icon added. So let's create a state variable to store weather data. Initial value will be null. Another state variable. Now let's create search weather method. Try catch, const API, for weather data we will use open weather. Go to current weather data, click on bulletin API request by city name. So here copy this link and paste here. Here we will pass city name and we have to create API key. So go into my, so I have created API key. You can create new one by generate button. So let's copy this, create a .env file, create a environment variable, copy key, import this key into let's check whether data we are getting or not. We have passed city name. Let's comment for now here, console log API. So we have to get data into a variable const data await. This function is async method. Install Axios to fetch data. Axios dot get, pass the API and console log the data variable data. We are getting data for a city Mumbai. We are getting weather data for Mumbai city. So we will set this weather data using set weather data method. The city name, we will pass city name this data dot name, temperature will be this data dot main dot temp. So this data we are getting in Fahrenheit formats, so we have to convert this into Celsius. Math.floor to convert this into Celsius, we have to subtract 273.15 from this. Now humidity will be humidity here. So humidity has data wind speed, ID is weather ID, data weather icon, set weather icon. So let's create this set weather icon. Remove this. const set weather icon. In this set weather icon we will pass this id so that we can select weather icon according to weather condition. Before that we have to add some weather icons, so I have already copied all the required icons into the asset folder. Let's import all the weather icons. Let's come to the set weather icon method. Here let's pass some conditions. If id greater than equal to 200 and id less than equal to 232, then return thunder. Let's pass the id. So if id is equal to 200 to 232, so that will be thunderstorm, and if id in between 300 to 321, it will be drizzle. Like that 500 to 531, it will be rain and snow, and like other weather condition. So let's set other conditions. Now come to the input. Here we will pass value city on change set city. Let's uncomment this. Set city event target event dot target dot value. On search icon we will call search weather method will be called let's check by searching a city name. Console log data. Here we are getting London weather data. So our search input is working. Now set these weather data into weather details. So here we will set. So first let's create a condition. Here if weather data is available, then show the weather details. So temperature is weather data dot temp and city name is weather data dot name, and humidity, weather data dot humidity and wind speed. Weather data dot wind speed. Wind speed is kilometer per hour. Actually, we did not add wind speed in our weather data, so let's add wind speed data dot wind speed. Now let's other condition if we don't have weather data. So here we will show a message. Let's give some classes to it. Flex call item center, justify center, height is full. Styleless, class name text, Excel text, gray 500. Let's check this message is visible or not. Yes. So our London data is showing. Now check another city. Mumbai. Let's create a method. Const handle key press. If event equal to event dot key equal to enter, then search weather. Add this into input. On key down, handle key press. Now let's check. Enter, we are getting data. Also we will set data to default if we got error. I did not added weather icon. Here, so I have to add weather icon. Now our icon is New York. Now let's add notifications. First add a condition where if city data is not available, If we don't enter any city, then show toast error. Let first add toast container into app.jsx toast container. This is required to add. Let's import toast. Now enter a message. Please return. If we enter without entering a city name, we are getting message. So let's copy this and paste here into error catch block and enter a message if we don't get weather data or if we get a error. Let's check. I am passing wrong city name. Press enter. City not found, please try again. We are getting error. Now we will display success message. So Control V, error, change error to success and change this message. We have to use backtick. Now let's check. We are getting correct notification. Finally, our app is weather app using React and Tailwind CSS is completed, and we have used notification to show success and error messages. Let's search some cities. We are getting Delhi data. We are getting error if we don't enter city name. So this is our app. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.